Welcome to our detailed drawing guide for the 1971 Dodge Challenger. Visit SketchOk.com for this tutorial and access thousands of other high-quality drawing guides. First is creating a foundation layout. Begin by sketching the basic shape of the car, placing key components such as the windshield, roof, front part, headlights, fenders, and wheels. Now, draw the side-bottom outline from the front fender to the rear body of the car. Outline the left and upper sides of the hood, include the side mirror, and the bottom line of the side window. Next, sketch the windshield, side window, and the car's roof. Complete the hood outline, create the headlight slot, and add the bumper. Insert the pairs of headlights on both sides with the grille in the center. Now, detail the bottom of the front part, including a license plate. Draw side lines, indicators, a petrol cap, and air intakes near the rear fender. Add the bold lines on the side for the sport pattern, along with the hood's lines and details. Finally, sketch the wheels of the Challenger. The last step, review your sketch and add any missing details. Gently erase the initial sketches and any marks, or ink your drawing for a refined finish. For more convenience and to enhance your learning experience, visit SketchOk.com. Our website offers step-by-step images that don't require pausing at each step, allowing for a more seamless drawing process. Thank you for choosing our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy drawing guides.